Hello everyone, welcome back. As we are doing chapter 15 perimeter and area, today we will discuss the second worksheet of the chapter 15. Beta, in our previous worksheet we find the perimeter and area of the square and the rectangle. Here we also have to find the same, but in this worksheet area of square and the perimeter, area of square and the rectangle will be given. You have to find the length and breadth or the side of the square. In case if area of rectangle is given, अगर हमें एरिया रेक्टेंगल का गिवन दे रखा है एंड वी हैव टू फाइंड एनी ऑफ द साइड, ओके, सपोज वी हैव टू फाइंड द लेंथ, देन व्हाट विल वी डू? वी विल डिवाइड area by breadth. Okay, in this condition area and breadth are given. If we have to find the breadth, then we will divide area by length. Okay, let's discuss question number 1. In question number 1, the area of a plastic sheet is given. Okay, अब आपको एरिया की पहचान क्या होगी? वेन एवर एरिया इज गिवन, इट इज ऑलवेज गिवन इन द सेंटीमीटर स्क्वायर, स्क्वायर यूनिट. सेंटीमीटर भी हो सकता है, मीटर स्क्वायर भी हो सकता है. ओके, एंड लेंथ इज 30 सेंटीमीटर और लेंथ इज गिवन. व्हाट इज द ब्रेड्थ ऑफ द प्लास्टिक शीट? हियर द लेंथ एरिया ऑफ द प्लास्टिक शीट इज गिवन, दैट इज 300 सेंटीमीटर स्क्वायर, एंड लेंथ ऑफ प्लास्टिक शीट इज ऑल्सो गिवन 30 सेंटीमीटर. Here we have to find the breadth of the plastic sheet. How will we find the breadth of the plastic sheet? Area upon length. So here you have to write down the area upon length. Write down the area 300 upon 30. Multiply cutting करेंगे तो we got 10 centimeter. Okay, तो breadth of plastic sheet is 10 centimeter. Now the second question is the area of football ground is 2900 मीटर स्क्वायर. एरिया हमें प्लास्टिक फुटबॉल ग्राउंड का एरिया हमें दे रखा है. इफ द ब्रेड्थ इज 29 मीटर, फाइंड द लेंथ ऑफ द गार्डन. सेम क्वेश्चन है बेटा. ओके, एरिया ऑफ फुटबॉल ग्राउंड इज गिवन 2900 मीटर स्क्वायर एंड ब्रेड्थ इज गिवन. हियर वी हैव टू फाइंड द लेंथ. हाउ विल वी फाइंड द लेंथ? एरिया अपॉन ब्रेड्थ, तो 2900 अपॉन 29. और वेन लेंथ और ब्रेड्थ हमेशा मीटर और सेंटीमीटर में ही आएगी बेटा. यू डोंट राइट स्क्वायर. ओके, तो लेंथ ऑफ ग्राउंड इज 100 meter. Now the question number 3, the perimeter of square lawn. अब here the perimeter of square lawn, we know that what is the perimeter of square? 4 multiplied by side is given 72 meter. Find the length of the side of the square. Here we have to find the side of the square. What is given? Perimeter of the square is given 72 meter. We know that perimeter of square is 4 multiplied by side 72. अब how we find the side? We will divide the perimeter by 4. So we get the side 18 meter. So length of all the side of the square 18 meter. Okay. Now question number 4. A rectangular garden is 230 meter long and its area is 13,800 meter. Find the width of the garden. Width means breadth. Okay, area of garden is given 13,800 meter square and length of the garden is 230 meter. हमने breadth निकालनी है. Okay, area upon length. Now apply the cutting. अगर आपको नहीं आती है तो you can divide it. 1380 divided by 23. Okay, after dividing you will find the breadth of the garden. Now the last question, Neha covered 95.52 meter by running around a square garden. It means this is a square garden. Okay, suppose this is a square garden. Okay, she is running around this side. It means boundary. Okay, perimeter is given to us. Okay, the length of the east side of this garden, हमें length निकालनी है east side की. Distance covered by Neha, that is 95.52 meter. Here perimeter of square garden is given. Okay, perimeter of square garden is 4 multiplied by side. And what is the perimeter? 95.52 95.52. So divide this number, okay, you will get the side. 95 divided by 4. 4 ones are 4 twos are 8, 1 and 5. 4 threes are 12, 3 and 5 we will put the decimal here. 8 fours are 32, 3 and 2. 8 fours are 32. तो 23.88 साइड कितनी आ जाएगी हमारे पास? 23.88 साइड. तो साइड ऑफ स्क्वायर इज इक्वल टू 23.88 meter. Okay, this is all about the worksheet find 2. Okay, thank you, and do practice of each and every question. Okay, and you have to do the brain teaser yourself. Okay beta, thank you.